All right, so one of the unique things about Grit is its bed system. So it's got a completely modular bed system. So these beds can either be a full size, it can be a twin size, you can have two fulls, you can have two twins, you can fold the top down and make it a couch. You can pretty much use it for whatever you need it for. But I want to show you just kind of how to use the beds real quick. So the beds are on these ratchet systems, and this internal skeleton here can hold upwards of 800 pounds. So in order for you to actually use these, first thing you have to do is we take the release and we pull it all the way out and pull it all the way down. And that's going to make this ratchet strap kind of just kind of user friendly, and so you can pull it up and down. So once you have it set in place, you can take it off the bottom rung and it's going to hold strong. All right. If you need to ratchet up or down, now you can pull it up and you can do short little ratchets and it'll lift it up. Once you have it where you want it, you lock it all the way to the top in place and it won't move. Even if you pull here, it's not going to release. Okay. So in using the bed here, if you ever need to adjust the bed, if say you park on something that's not totally level and you want to level out the bed some, what you want to do is always, if it's a full size, always adjust the strap that's the farthest away from the wall. Okay, so farthest away from the passenger side wall. So if we want to adjust this top bed, we're going to take it out of the top spot and we're going to ratchet it up. And then we can do the middle one if the middle one needs to be ratcheted to support. All right, and then we've kind of readjusted the bed. Now, if we want to take the bed down some, we always, again, want to do the outside one first. So we're going to take it down. We're going to support the bottom because the weight will start to give. We're going to take it down to all the way and it'll give, and then you can release the weight on it, put it back up into at least one spot, and now we can do the center one. Take it all the way down, it'll pop and it'll drop down into the flush level with the outside strap. Now, if you want to take this, say you want to take the bottom bunk from a twin to a full, okay? Right now there's two twin mattresses on here. What we're gonna have to do is we're gonna ratchet the bottom up some, and you can do this on one side. So we ratchet the bottom up. We're gonna take this butterfly clip here and we're gonna turn it, release this side. You're gonna pinch here to release the clip. All right, we're gonna go to the other side real quick. Same thing over here. Turn the butterfly clip, pinch it, take the weight off of it, release it, and this bottom leaf will swing out. All right, I'll go back here. So now that this bottom leaf has released, we can push up on the bed here or use the ratchets to lift the bed, and that leaf will start to come out. There you go. Once the leaf is kind of free floating, we can take it out. We can take this ratchet down onto the far side of the bed and give it some support. And now we can start bringing this one down. Okay? Once you take the weight off of this, it's going to go pretty quickly. So you want to try to maintain some resistance on it. Set it down in place. And then you can re-level the bed here, again, by doing the outside one first, and then the inside one. And then we'll go to the back side and we'll reset the straps on the back. So again, take it all the way down. We'll put this middle one on, hook it up, get some weight on that. And then we'll take this far one all the way down onto this far hook here. And then we'll take the weight off by ratcheting it up. And then we're gonna match the resistance. The middle one only has to be kind of snug. The outside one is the one that's gonna take the most weight, all right? So that one Once you get it, you ratchet it in place. Stick it up there, and now we can move this top mattress. Separate the mattresses, and you've got a larger full-size bed. Now, if you rent a van and you request full-size beds, these beds will already be set for you. If you want them made, they'll already be made for you, or you can sleep with your own sleeping bags and linens. It's your choice, but fairly simple operation of the bed system. The only thing you have to be careful about is when you release these ratchet straps, you want to make sure that there's something supporting the bed system so that it doesn't just drop to the ground.